Hey there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw a fishing pole with a fish on it. So let's begin. Here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the fishing pole. Okay, just make a tiny rectangle. And now a long rod. Let's draw the wheel. Now let's draw the fish. Here's its tail. And wings. Okay, my drawing is done. Let's do the coloring. I'm using brown. I'm using gray color pen. A little bit of yellow. Gray again. Okay, let's color the fish. I'm using yellow in its eye and orange for its wings and tail. For the fish, I'm using blue. And cyan. Wow, it's looking amazing! And this is how you can draw a fishing pole with a fish on it. Thank you so much for watching!